In this video, we will learn how to create spark line in Google Sheet. So let's start. You can see here the mini chart in one cell. So this is my Google Sheet. Here I have a data sum state wise. So I'm create here the spark line. Just enter the is equal to, write the spark line and tap it, select the data and bracket close and just enter. Here you can see the spark line is created. Just drag this formula below cell and you can see this the mini chart. You can see this the mini chart also. See, you can analyze the data in one cell. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.